Hello, so today I will show you how to evolve Vego. So this is Vegeta from Dragon Ball anime. So what you need are takedowns. Vegeta needs or Vego needs 7,500 takedowns. Takedowns basically means you have to kill enemies. So you can get Vego from the banner or summoning the unit. It's easy to evolve Vego, but it's super grindy since you need to spam raids. So what you need in order to evolve Vego is Super Capsule and stars. So in order to get Super Capsule, you have to go to the raids. You can buy Super Capsule from here, raid shop. Here, Super Capsule. So in order to get Alien Scouters, to buy Super Capsule, you have to do some raids in Future City. I will recommend to grind here 3 times per day, the Ultimate Emperor. If you find this hard, you can ask help in the Discord of Anime Adventures. There is a channel for that. But if you want to go solo, you can go here on Raid the Resurrected Leader or Frieza. As you can see, it still gives a decent amount of alien scouters. So after you accumulated the required amount for the super capsule, just buy the capsule. And to get the stars, you just play challenges. So now let's evolve Vego. Oh wait, I still need one star for it. I will just use this star capsule. I got this from the battle pass. Tada! Vego Super 2. And that's how you evolve Vego to Vego Super 2.